Hello everyone, thank you for watching. I am now at Weldcom's Hung Yen factory. And right behind me is the Smart 14 torch welding gantry, model HN15025 S2F14 by Bruco. This product is fully designed and manufactured in Vietnam, researched, developed, and assembled by Weldcom engineers. It clearly proves our capability in localizing high-quality industrial equipment for the domestic steel structure industry. This massive machine stands out with 14 welding torches, working at the same time. The largest multi-torch gantry ever designed, and built by Weldcom Vietnam. It was developed specifically for producing built-up beams, steel structural components, bridge structures, and super heavy fabrications, making it especially suitable for shipbuilding. The gantry is equipped with 28 MegaMeet CM500R power sources, using Emerson technology from the US. These power sources deliver high precision, stable output, and reliable performance even with unstable voltage, ideal for large factories with continuous production. With 14 torches welding in parallel on both sides of the beam, productivity is multiplied, setup time is reduced, and production is faster. The system applies submerged arc welding, the optimal method for large beam structures, producing deep penetration, strong, and uniform welds. The machine body is built from thick steel plates, with a reinforced frame, ensuring stability without vibration, under continuous operation. It runs on P48 rails up to 30 meters long, with a 16-meter working span, capable of handling large, heavy, and ultra-long beams. Operating in the 2F welding position, it supports various structures such as H-beams and I-beams, C-beams and K-beams, welded panels for shipbuilding, maximum dimensions, overall length up to 25 meters, web height from 150 to 2,500 millimeters, flange width from 100 to 500 millimeters. An automatic flux feeding and recovery system minimizes manual work, improving efficiency and stability in production. Each welding head is integrated with a Keyence laser seam tracking sensor, combined with a 3-axis servo system for lifting, tilting, and transverse adjustment, keeping the torch precisely on the seam. A highlight of the HN15025 S2F14 is its intelligent control system. Optimized for modern manufacturing, it features a user-friendly interface in both Vietnamese and English, a preset welding parameter library, Ethernet connectivity with login-based access, automatic operation logs for working time, consumables, and shift productivity. If your business is producing large-scale built-up structures, complex steel bridges, or operating in shipbuilding, and you aim to boost productivity, while reducing dependence on skilled manual welders, the HN15025 S2F14 Bruco is the ultimate solution. To upgrade your production line, expand factory capacity, and enhance global competitiveness, contact Weldcom at hotline 1-900-9410, or visit weldcom.vn for expert consultation. Thank you, and see you in the next video.